Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. Today we will start the session 1 of discovering the inner self, one eternal truth that can change your vision. ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपा कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरोः श्रीयुतापदकमलं श्रीगुरुन् वैष्णवांश श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथं नितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगण ललिता श्री विशाखान्वितां च। नमः ओं विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी नामने। नमस्ते सरस्वती गौरवाणी प्रसन्न विशेषण पच्युतदेशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. So last session we have discussed the game of life. This particular session we will discuss the discovery inner self, one eternal truth that can change your vision. The inner self introduction. Now, if you see in your body, as a driver drives a car, similarly, the soul drives a living body. Scientific researchers have proved it. Matter is dead, while soul is conscious. The soul is superior to matter. The knowledge of relationship between matter, soul, and God can bring a great positive change in this world. This is about the inner self introduction. So when we say any person, that includes body and soul, but he is not the body. Body is like a car, and he is a person, the soul like the driver. Why should I study about the soul? Before starting Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna, Arjuna lamented to knowing the soul. He told, वेपतुश्च शरीरे मे रोमहर्षश्च जायते गाण्डीवं स्रंसते हस्तात् त्वक्चैव paridayate. The translation is, my whole body is trembling, my hair is standing on end, my bow kandiva is slipping from my hand, and my skin is burning. And next, न सशक्नोमि अवस्थातुं नामातीव च मे मनः निमित्तानि च पश्यामि विपरीतानि केशव. I am now unable to stand here any longer. I am forgetting myself and my mind is reeling. I see only cause of misfortune, O Krishna. Arjuna had lack of confidence, anxiety, demoralized, stress, depression. So after hearing Bhagavad Gita, but Arjuna emerged victorious. So this is the effect. How? He heard the knowledge of the soul from Lord Krishna. So discover inner self contents as I am matter or I am spirit. Second, scientific proofs for existence of spirit soul. Third, difference between living person and a robot. Fourth, mechanism of mind. Next, practical benefits of knowledge of soul in everyday life. First, we are going to discuss, am I matter or am I spirit? Let us see. Who am I? Who are you? Who are you? Are you a scientist? Dr. Henry Monson, Professor at Illusions College of Medicine says, most of the human body is water. in a 60-pound person that are about 5 pounds of calcium, 1.5 pounds of phosphate, 9 ounces of potassium, 6 ounces such as sulfur and sodium, 1 ounce of magnesium, and less than 1 ounce of iron, copper, and helium. This is what you are? No. Then there is a $110 question. Now, does that sound like you? Please ask yourself, is this the essence stuff of your identity? Don't you feel you are more than the chemicals which constitute this body? Then what is our real identity? Living beauty after death. Chemicals are the same. No feelings, no thinking, no desires, no movement, no consciousness. Somebody, but the soul is gone. न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन्नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयया अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे. For the soul there is neither birth nor death at any time. But matter, body is matter, soul is spirit. Body is not conscious, spirit is conscious. Body changes, soul no changes. Body is temporary, soul is eternal. Body is dead, soul is alive. You are not the body that you see in the mirror. You are the Atma, the soul, the real driver of the bodily car. Material viewpoint. We are bodies made up of matter. We are no more than the chemical bundles. Everything is finished at the time of death. These are materialistic views. Spiritual viewpoint. We are not the material body of flesh and bones. We are a spirit soul encaged in the material body. We do not die when material body stops to function. Now, just as the bird is trapped in the cage, the soul is trapped in the body made up of 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and ether. Not knowing their real identity as a soul, the people spend all their lives in polishing the cage, pampering the body without feeding the soul. Can you say how? We're going to next scientific proofs for existence of spirit soul. Scientific proofs for existence of the soul. First, common sense. Second, consciousness. Third, near-death experience, out-of-body experience, studies, reincarnational research. Now you see common sense. People will see they are die, cry, everything is. When a person dies, we say he or she had passed away. Who has passed away? The body is still there. Common sense, we can understand the soul has left the body. Actually, the soul had passed away. Second, consciousness. I see red light, dead matter not conscious. Happy old me, living being conscious. Be conscious means to be aware, thinking, feeling, willing, and intentionality. Near-death experience, out-of-body experience studies. 11% to 14% average American population who are mentally or physically healthy have out-of-body experience. Enough research in near-death experience with the impeccable scientific credentials. This is done by Dr. Michael Shaban. 30 years surgeon Dr. Bungalow. He has written many books out of body experiences. Reincarnational research. And Stephen Carlos, professor of psychologist, University of Virginia, has extensively investigated over 3,000 cases of spontaneous reincarnation memories. There are many books, reincarnation research books. You can find it coming back. Phobias are related to the mode of death. Mode of death, the person whose life is being remembered. For example, if a previous life ended in a drowning, there would be a phobia of water. If a person's previous life ended in a stabbing, there would be a phobia of bladed weapons. If it ended in shooting, there would be a phobia of firearms and so on. Difference in temperament of twin proves souls, even though identical twins are physically born by the splitting of a single egg from the same genetic material. They may have striking contrasts in temperament. The difference in temperaments is because of two different souls reincarnated in two different bodies that are generally identical. Soul Survivor, Reincarnation book by Fighter Pilot. This is a case study by Dr. Ian Stevenson, Shukla Gupta remembering her past life. So this is Shukla was a little more than 5 years. Srishan Gupta was 5 other members of his family journeyed with her to Batpara. In the arrival, Shukla took the lead, avoiding various possible wrong turns. She brought them straight to the house of Sri Amritala Chakravarti, illegally her father-in-law in her past life. Shukla recognized her previous lifetime house. Her mother-in-law, brother-in-law, husband, daughter indicated Sri Haridana Chakravarti as her husband. The nicknames as well as real names of her brother-in-laws. Famous scientists believed in reincarnations. Finding myself exist in the world, I believe I shall remain same and that always is Benjamin Franklin. Those souls who revolted against God were placed here in the transmigrated through the various species of animals, birds, reptiles, etc. John Adams. I'm confident that there truly is such a thing as living again and the living spring from the dead. Socrates. Then we'll go and study the third part of this presentation, difference between living person and robot. Is man not just a powerful computer robot? Drama observed by judges, drama observed by camera. There is a feelings, there are cry, there is emotions, there are intentions. Lens in the camera, no experience. Eyes of the judges experience. No emotions. Here, emotion, sorrow, anger, and etc. No consciousness, whereas in the living person is conscious. No judging, but able to judge. So these are the symptoms of. Now think, Swamiji, I think our body is just complex machine that gets wounds out the crashes. Why should we bother our soul powering the body? Does your car or computer grow? Do you have a male or female car that can unite and produce a baby car? A living body undergoes 6 changes, whereas matter just depreciates. It is the soul that makes living body alive. Three major differences between the living body and a robot. First, a living body undergoes 6 changes, while matter only dwindles. Second, male and female living bodies can multiply similar species. Machines cannot reproduce by union. Living body has consciousness, thinking, feeling, willing, while matter has no consciousness. Every living body undergoes 6 changes. First, taking birth. Then second, growth. Third is maintenance. Fourth is production of byproducts. Fifth is bringing. And sixth is death. The 6 exchanges we easily observe in any species of life. Mechanism of mind. The soul is covered by the grass and simple coverings. The grass covering constitutes earth, water, fire, air, and ether. And settled body covers mind, intelligence, false ego. The soul, eternal Sat, Chit, Ananda. Settler, grasser. Mechanism of the mind. Intelligence, the decision maker. Mind, store of the thoughts, unfulfilled desires, previous experiences. Five senses, ears, eyes, nose, tongue, and skin. Chariot of the body. Five senses, the mind, the intelligence of the soul. Lord Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita 6.6. Bandhuratma manastasya yenatma ivanatma judah anatmanatva shatrute varte tatmavya shatruvat. For him who has conquered the mind is the best of friends, but for one who has failed to do so, his mind will remain the greatest enemy. Nature of the mind in the chariot. Controlled. It will be your best friend. Uncontrolled. It will be your greatest enemy. Can mind be the control? Mind is compared to a knife. Is the knife good or bad? In a surgeon's hands, it can be save life. In a miscreant's hand, he can kill with it. Gigo principle. Garbage in, garbage out. Good in, good out. Where do we get our scripts? Books we read, movies we watch, music we hear, friends we keep. Mental dialogues. Smoking habit, mind feels. I am an engineer. I should know how to hold a cigarette at least. Smoking makes me feel cool. Intelligence thinks, but that's a bad habit, not good for you. Your parents won't like to see you doing this. You may become addicted to it. Don't get into wrong track. Practical benefits of knowledge of the souls in everyday life. Universal brotherhood. What divides us? Hindu versus Muslim, white versus black, rich versus poor, educated versus illiterate, beautiful versus ugly. What divides us? Bodily consciousness. What unites us? Europeans, Chinese, white, black, all unite. People from all walks of life coming together for higher cause, knowing that we are not the spirit, superficial bodies, but spirit souls, like the driver and different from the car, soul conscious. Rising above inferiority complex. I'm a block shot, ugly. Will anybody looks at me too? I hardly got a good rank. I have no talent in sports. I came from poor family. I don't know whether I will get my degree or pass for the college. Life does not seem worth living because I'm not like any of the great heroes. I'm not this body, but this pure soul with abundant potential. My defects are superficially appearing in the body, but not a part of happy and family, happy healthy soul. My heart is full of love, joy, serenity, compassion for others. Bodily conscious and soul conscious. Positive outlook and attitude to life. Everybody is selfish. Just see how he is not cooperating with me. I feel lonely and concerned. I think I also should learn becoming a selfish, harsh, and arrogant to survive the growth in life. Then I will show others who am I. No wisdom that everyone is originally part and parcel of suffering, but now there is a covered up. Instead of blaming my friend for not being cooperative, let me learn to help him and being more kind and courteous with me. Then hopefully he will change unless I set an example. What is the point of demanding the same from others? Tolerance, patience, consideration, everyone to be potentially good. Rights, use of resources. I have put this many dollars in the Switzerland bank account so that even my son cannot touch my money. Now, whether I am behind bars or moving around in cars, I have no worry. It's all my money. Ha 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 ha. Look at the cow. These are suffering without food. Let me arrange some grass for her. Every living thing is like my brother and sisters. Every creature deserves to live. If I can't preach the truth, preach reach to few men of my country, I will teach them the culture of sharing all resources with supreme intelligence amongst the creatures. Then there will be no poverty in our country. Summary. I am matter of the spirit. Our body is worth of 120 rupees. Body versus soul, materials versus spiritually. Unseen driver of the bodily plans. Scientific proofs for existence of the soul. Common sense as postaway conscious camera versus living person near to the experiences and reincarnation studies. Third, difference between the living person and robot. Cameras or judges. Major difference living bodies and third is blood health, body maintenance products. Mechanisms of the mind. Drugs, body settled body soul, mind intelligence, false ego, controlling uncontrolled ego in principle. Practical benefits of knowledge, universal brotherhood, raising incompletely positive attributes, right use of resources. Discover yourself team. Thank you so much. So we'll end here the presentation of the session one, discussing the inner self. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So we'll meet in the next session of Discover Yourself.